Let's see the phonics, particularly vowels A, E, I, O, U sound words. First one, short vowel A. Add, bad, lad, pad, tad, mad. Then ag, gag, lag, nag, sag, tag. Then an, ban, fan, pan, tan, van. Next app, gap, lap, nap, rap, sap. Then bat, cat, hat, mat, rat. Then others are cap, lab, tab, ham, ram. Next move on to short vowel A. Eat, fed, led, wed, bed, red. Then egg, keg, peg, leg, beg. Then earn, den, men, tent, hen, pen. Then et, get, let, met, bet, jet. Then other sounds web, hem, pep, yes, gem. Next move on to short vowel E. It, bit, did, hid, rid, kid. Then ig, gig, dig, jig, rig, wig. Then in, bin, din, fin, kin, sin. Then ip, dip, nip, rip, tip, ip. Then it, bit, fit, kit, pit, wit. Then other sounds bib, fib, rib, dim, him. Next move on to short vowel O. O, bob, cob, gob, mob, sob. Then og, bog, cog, dog, hog, jog. Then ob, cob, hob, mop, top, pop. Then odd, caught, got, jot, not, hot. Then other sounds rod, sort, mom, pom. Then finally short vowel oo, oop, curb, dub, nub, sub, rub. Then bug, dug, lug, pug, mug. Then bum, hum, sum, mum, gum. Then earn, bun, done, gun, pun, fun. Then but, gut, jut, rut, hut. Then other sounds bud, cut, dud, pup, mud. Thank you.